Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. In today's video, we are going to be doing the last part, the final part, the grand finale of our beginners eye makeup tutorial series. This is going to be the part 6, I think. Yeah, the part 6 of our beginners eye makeup tutorial series, and we're going to be recreating this eye makeup look. Now, if this is the content you would like to see, then please keep on watching. And if you do intend or decide to watch, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below, okay? Welcome back, guys. So in today's makeup tutorial, we are going to be covering the last part of our beginners eye makeup series. Okay, now in the previous part we've covered the makeup tools that you're going to need for any eye look, makeup products, the parts of the eye, so that you know whatever it is I'm saying when I'm saying the crease, the lid, and all of that. We've also covered an eyeshadow tutorial featuring just 1 or 2 eyeshadows, and then today we're going to be going into the last part, which is going to be a gold or a pink smoky eye. I don't know yet. Let me just go with the flow, okay? Anyway, today we're going to be using our Morphe times Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and we're going to be doing something either a gold or a pink smoky eye. Okay, so this is how the palette looks. You can see I've really hit pan on several of these eyeshadows. I have my mirror here and I've already gone ahead to set my brow bone. You all know that drill, okay? Now, taking my White Glam Beauty Eye Essential Brush 107, we are going to be going into our transition area, just starting up right out the bat. We are going to be taking this, mixing this shade and this shade right here to get our transition color. I know I told you guys that we're going to be using only one blending brush to achieve any eyeshadow look, but because I personally do not fancy washing my brushes every single day, I'm going to introduce another brush today. Okay, so you can just look for any, it's a smaller brush, so you can look for any small brush and use to do that step. Okay, we've applied our transition color. Now, the step I'm going to introduce to you guys today, you can do using one of these 2 brushes. I have here the Sigma E27 detail blending brush and the Sigma E45 brush. Now, if you want to also use your same eyeshadow blending brush, you can, and I'm going to be doing that today, just to keep up with my word. But mind you, after each eyeshadow look, you have to wash this brush or spot clean it ahead of the next eyeshadow application, because if you use this with the darker shades and go in the very next day for another eye look, you're just going to mess everything all up. So for that purpose, if you know you're not going to be washing your brushes every single day, I'll advise you get a smaller brush. But just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to stick to this brush. Okay, now we are going to be going into this shadow right here, this one, and we're going to be applying that directly into our crease. As you can see, our transition color is well blended, so we're not going to go over that again, so we can as well now just dip into the darker shades. Okay, you stamp first, and then you blend in. And when blending in, guys, don't go too far into the inner corner of the eye here. Okay, just stop somewhere here. Stop somewhere here. You can see, stop somewhere here, and ensure you blend it in properly. You stamp first and then you blend. Just because I want my eyeshadow to pop a bit more, I'm going to be going in with our P. Louise makeup base in the shade Rumor 05. I'm going to be using that to just clean up the lid so that we have a little bit of a lid space to play with. Okay, we are not going to be doing a cut crease as such. We're just going to clean up the lid. All right. Now, one trick I learned for while cleaning up the lid, once you put the eye base or concealer on your eye, you look up like you're looking towards the ceiling, and you can see where that concealer mark stained the upper part of the lid. Yes, that is where your eyeshadow is supposed to pass through. So that's where you're going to cut. It's going to be like a guide showing you where you are going to cut your crease. We are going to go into let's go into this pink shade right here, and we are going to apply that all over the lid. I really do love this Morphe times Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I mean the volume 1. As you can see, just a tap and you have a good color payoff. Then again, you also need a good brush and an eyeshadow base. So you can see that P. Louise base is working quite well. I'm seriously looking for one of those handheld brush mirrors. Sorry, I'm finding it quite difficult to use this one. I hope I'll just come across it sometime soon. So as you can see, we're quite done with that. I'm going to going back into that crease color, and we're going to use it to marry our lid shade and the crease color we initially applied. So you're just going to tap it gently so that there's no line of demarcation. It just looks like an eyeshadow fading into the other, and then you blend it a bit inwards. We're going to go into that crease color, which is this color right here, and we're going to be using that to smoke out our lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be using this my Kiss Beauty liquid liner. I'm going to be applying a very slight wing line. We are not going in with a black liner in our waterline today because we want this look to be everyday wearable. Okay, but if you want to like make it pop some more, maybe you have an occasion or something, you can apply that black pencil liner in your waterline. That is this, you know what the waterline means. I don't have to explain. You guys should know what the waterline means by now. We're going to take our Zaron lightening mascara and we're going to apply it on our lashes ahead of the falsies we are going to be applying shortly. You guys should not sleep on this mascara. It's really nice. This is how the eye is looking. As you can see, it's a very simple, easy, smoky eye. Like we didn't even go into the black, we didn't go into any darker color, we just did it easy breezy because this is a beginner look. Because if you're going to be going into these other shades, you have to like have more precise brushes, but for now just look at how this eye is popping. I mean, if you have this and you go out with this, nobody's going to look at you and say, maybe this guy's a beginner or this guy's a beginner or anything like that. You understand? So this is it. I'm just going to go off camera now and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back, you know, for us to have like the finished or final talk about a beginner's eye makeup series. Okay. Okay guys, whoa, we're back guys. So this is how we're looking. We've applied our lashes and we are good to go. I just wanted to point out something, that when applying your eyeshadow all over your lid, always try to take it in towards the inner corner of the eye, okay, so that it kind of helps open up the eye. All right, so that is it. Let me admire myself small. I'm coming. Ew. Wow, just admiring myself here. I'm just looking, I'm feeling so pretty. I must go somewhere today. Let me not waste this makeup look. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the finished look. I'm sure by now, like with constant practice, you guys will be able to get away with any eye look. I mean, as a beginner, you can only progress from there. These are like the basic steps. If you are just joining us now and you didn't know, this is like, I think the part 6 or 7, part 6 I think, of our beginners eye makeup tutorial series, and this is going to be the final part. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for staying with us. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye guys.